realised there was going to be a stage music, so...
Now this is an Aussie girl, and 6 kids later, we're still here. All these